welcome back guys. Today this is the part of making slime. Let's add more activator because it's not activating. Let's add this white glue too because it won't want to eat it off. White glue. Okay, let's go. What is it also? Oh my god, why is it hard? Add the food color. Okay, just 2 drops. That is it tofu. Dali paabot nga ng lotion na maging ayun, masyado matigas kasi. Tofu. This is the first line. Okay, first. Daddy, si Tofu! Makyat dun sa camera!
Ito naman. Diba?
Okay, first we're gonna add white glue. So sorry because of my cat. It's messing around. Add some white glue. Tofu! Okay, let's add the food color. Pink, of course. Let's add our drops. And slime activator. Okay, I'm mixing it so it will be like slime. Let's add a little more activator. Okay, 2 drops. And then I'll just mix